Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to talk about my car, but then I changed the plans and usually I film in this area and I've never showed the homestay that I keep talking about. And I've made so many videos on the Jeep saying that we use it for the guests, and but I've never taken you guys on a tour on our homestay. So me and mom today, mommy come, are going to show you our homestay.
Hi.
So our homestay is called Riyavar Luxury Homestay. I'm going to put the thing down here, Riyavar Luxury Homestay. So in that it is RI is Rashank, that is me. YA is Yash, that is my second brother, and VAR is Varun, who is my third brother. As you guys have already seen those people. So let's go on the tour, guys.
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a
So as you guys can see, this is the room behind me. So let me take you guys inside. So this is the living room of the stay. This sofa turns into a sofa cum bed. So what we do is we remove this cushion and this becomes a single bed, and an adult can comfortably sleep here. We set it up like a proper bed. Divan also works as a single bed for kids. So if there are young children below 10 years old, they can comfortably sleep here. We even set this up if it is required. These are our luxury queen size beds, 8-inch beds that come in 5-star, 3-star hotels that you see. So we have not compromised on quality or our choice of interiors for this room. We have 4 such rooms, and the only difference that you can see in these rooms are the colors of these walls. So in this room it's green, the next room it's blue, the other room it's orange, and one more room it is red. So as you can see, this is a HD TV and we have a Airtel connection. All the rooms have these 32-inch TVs, and here you can see this is the dressing room, and we have a very spacious dressing room for people to dress up and get ready and go out if they ever want to. So that's that. They have place to store their clothes also if they're coming on a long vacation. And usually the guests who come here are so worried about the bathrooms, so this is for those people. If you are ever watching this video, our bathrooms are usually kept spick and span. We don't like to keep things in this entire property dirty, and including the bathrooms, because every time we go out we are extremely particular about the bathrooms. So as you guys can see, these rooms, even though there is no one, everything is kept spick and span right now. So as you guys saw, it's even though homestays these days are homes that have different rooms and you'll be sharing the space with many other people, this is not like that. Homestay concept in a resort in a homestay concept is what we are promoting here. The luxury of a resort is provided in a space of in a hospitality of a homestay, because my parents are very very active with the guests. You can go and see the reviews on our page. Everybody loved the treatment that my parents have given them, and so we are really happy with the way it's going. The major motto is that hospitality. So each guest who come here, they have a separate entrance. All the four rooms are different. There's one more room on top, which I will be showing you guys in a second. So as you guys can see behind me is the common dining area. This is where all our guests can dine, because we don't allow food inside the rooms to maintain the cleanliness of the rooms. So yeah, this is the dining area. And so while our guests enjoy a cup of coffee, they can also enjoy this view of people playing. They can also go and engulf in some activities like badminton, cricket. That is our dance floor that I'll be showing you in a while. And we also have rain dance floor. We have a number of activities inside the property itself that will keep the guests entertained. So if you're planning a long stay and you don't want to visit any other tourist spots, this place is there. We also have high speed internet, but let me put a disclaimer right there, guys. We are amidst the estate, and here the internet is not always up, and we usually have trouble because of the weather. Now for example, today entire day was very hot. You can see I'm sweating like anything, but it's going to rain cats and dogs now because thunder and lightning going on from a long time now, about half an hour. Thunder is rumbling like anything, and yeah, it's gonna pour, we are sure about it. That's why I decided to film today and not play. Otherwise this is the time me and my brothers engulf in playing badminton. So yeah, as you guys saw the property, let me wear my slippers because cleanliness we don't wear. Guests are allowed to wear their slippers inside. So we have 4 deluxe rooms. Deluxe rooms are the rooms that I showed you guys, and we also have one large family room and one presidential suite room. Those 2 rooms are on the first floor. Before I take you there, I will show you one more special amenity we have for kids and adults who will come here and like to play. So this is our 18 feet diameter trampoline, suited for adults as well as kids, because why should kids have all the fun, guys? And initially, to be very honest, me and my brothers also wanted to jump in this. That's why we got it. So it benefits all our guests. They come and really enjoy this. So yeah, we don't have a pool, but we do have a baby pool for the kids. So kids below the age of 8 can enjoy in it. Not a proper swimming pool, but yeah, those inflatable things. We also have something called a rain dance floor, where the water comes out of these pipes. You must have witnessed it in Wonderla and all the other fantasy parks, where there are pipes and water comes down and lights are flashing and you can dance and all that. So we have a huge music system there right behind me. I don't think you can see it because of the bokeh effect of this lens, but there's one huge music system we have, and that is the dance floor that I'm pointing to right now. So in that dance floor you can enjoy at night. We usually put up these disco lights and all that. So this is the presidential suite, and this is our most luxurious room, guys. You can see there is a dedicated living room. Even though that has the living room, it's a little smaller than this. This has a full-sized L-shaped sofa where you can relax, and it's a really nice place to be. You have a full view of what is happening out there. So I will pull it up for you guys. So as you guys can see, there's a full view of the ground outside, and this right here is a double bed. We can pull this out like this, and we can put this over here, and it becomes a double bed, and 2 adults can comfortably sleep. And even if it is 1 adult, you'll be very comfortable because it's a huge bed. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is our corner study table with a beautiful chair and a desk lamp for all those vacation people who want to come and work and write a note and keep your laptop and do whatever. So this place is there, and when you guys enter, come on. This is the massive bedroom. It has 2 double beds. We can even combine it by putting one we have a foam mattress that we put it in the center and we make it into one single bed. But usually guests prefer to have two double beds, and slim people, two people can sleep here very comfortably. And we have two full-sized cupboards. As you guys can see, you can see two full-sized cupboards. Now you might be wondering, this idiot can't see how many cupboards are there. There are 3 cupboards. Why is he saying 2? Give me one moment for that. So this is a full-size cupboard for if you're coming to Coorg to visit a marriage, you want to store your saris, everything. You have 2 full-size cupboards for everybody staying in the room. This is not a cupboard. This is a walk-in dresser. I will show you guys. So this is the walk-in dresser, full-size mirror with 2 drawers. It's like your mini house, a single bedroom house. So there's everything that you will want. And this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So there's a nice sized bathroom. There's 2 rough tiles to rub your legs if you want to. So yeah, this is luxury with a little retro touch in it. And as I said, all our rooms are air conditioned, and even this room has an air conditioner, and we have not compromised on quality in any aspect. So this is the kitchenette right in front of me. So let's go inside. We have a tiny dining table as well over here for all the guests who want to sit and make noodles or something in the room and have it. This is the only room where we permit people to make something inside and have. You have a full-fledged kitchen with a proper induction stove, a full single door refrigerator. As you can see here, it's a brand new single door refrigerator kept just for you to store your beers, your alcohol, your whatever, breezer, Tropicana, water, whatever. There's a full size single door fridge, and there are kitchen compartments as well. If you want to come and stay for a month, 2 months, this is your house to be in. As you guys can see, I'm on the first floor now. The first floor has one room called the large family room. There's a mid floor that has the presidential room. So as you can see, when you come up the stairs, halfway you'll find the presidential suite. When you come full way up, you get this room. So yeah, welcome aboard the large family room. This is a huge room for those joint families who love staying together, partying together, enjoying together and having a fun time together. It has 4 queen size beds, all 8-inch luxury beds, no compromise on the bed quality or the pillow quality. Every room has the same type of beds, and this one also has a 2-ton AC. If you guys are tech savvies who want to know what kind of AC it has, it has a 2-ton AC sufficient to cool the entire room. It has a bigger TV, that is a 42-inch TV compared to the other 32 inches, because large room, lot of people, bigger TV. So, and it has a single cupboard in the corner, and we have 2 bathrooms here. If you guys are wondering what these doors are for, we have 2 similar bathrooms. Now if you think that yellowing on the wall is some kind of dirt, it is not. It is the style of the tiles. The camera doesn't do justice to that pattern. If you see it directly, you might like it. So we have 2 similar bathrooms. It's just like a mirror dimension right here. It is just opposites of each other. It is just similar, and yeah. We also have 2 single-seater sofas here for you guys to sit, chill, sip your beer or whatever. And yes, the biggest selling point of this room is the balcony outside, because I will tell you guys, follow me. So this area that you see here, this sitting space, is on both the sides of this room, and even the largest of the largest crowds can have their own private space over here. They can sit here, chill, drink, have fun and all that. And you know guys, the most satisfactory thing about this place is the beautiful view of the stars you get when you are sitting here at night. This, remember guys, is an amidst the estate, so you can stargaze without any tension. I'm gonna put the video that I captured here of the stars. Here goes.
I'm just calling to say.
So as you guys saw, that was an astro video that I captured of this place right here in the yard that you can see in front. So these amount of stars you can see in this place, and it's just fabulous at night. And from this place you can see this beautiful ground. Sometimes, you know, the students of that, this is a government school in Arakat, you can see the students playing and you can see them having fun. You can see the estate in the backside. You can also trail down to the estates. There's a walking path down there where you can walk, and yes, you can also see beautiful mountains far away. So yes, you can follow this place on Instagram. It's called Riyavar Luxury Homestay on Instagram as well. I'll leave the link down in the description below with my Instagram link. You can follow me there as well, and my brothers there as well. So yeah, you can also, you know, you can book and come here and do staycation. We have no problem. About all the networks that is available here, you get 4G Airtel, you get 2 lines of Jio 4G and a little bit of BSNL high speed 3G, and you can see the tower there, it is right behind me. So when that tower is on, we have proper network, but when there is no power, the tower goes off. No Airtel, no BSNL, so be prepared for that. The BSNL internet is good here, really good, optical fiber when it is there. So yeah, you can come here, relax, and if you guys are going to the link and you're seeing the prices and you're like, oh my god, why is it so expensive? We'll tell you why. Because all these resorts that you go to might be really expensive and, you know, give you 5-star quality. We are not lacking in anything in those terms. Our buffet has around 12 variants with the proper dessert, and also our hospitality is top notch. My parents are always with the guests. We do everything that we can 24/7 to keep you guys happy, and we have 24 hours generator, and the rooms are air conditioned, and we have 24 hours of hot water. And yeah, to maintain this kind of quality, we have to, you know, keep the prices high. Also, we take our guests to the estate river in our jeep that you saw. You guys know that we have a raft in our pond that we have inside our estate. We take them rafting, we take them swimming in our estate as well. So yeah, there are a lot of activities that we offer. More than anything, we have that personalized experience that we do, and all these activities are free with the package that you pay for the homestay. And also you get breakfast free if you're wondering what else is available. Lunch and dinner is extra. All those package details you can discuss with the people who take the booking when you call. Mostly my parents, nobody else. We don't deal with third persons. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this property, and if you guys ever visit here, and if I'm here in town, we can meet. This lockdown time, I think for a few months I am here, so if you guys are coming here, see you here, we can make a video on that. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for taking so much time and making such a long video, but I wanted to keep it brief. I wanted you guys to see everything, and most of the people have this question, why is it so expensive? So I wanted to address that concern. So compared to what other resorts here are charging, we are charging a penny. But yes, those resorts will never ever be able to give you the authentic treatment that we give you, and the authentic food that Riyavar serves to you guys. So yeah, you have to try the food that we serve. A lot of guests have spoken about it in the reviews, so you can see that as well. And yeah, it's a personalized treatment. You can try the Kodava authentic food and all that. So yes, enough of my blah blah blah. I'll stop the video right here. Next video is about my car, I guess, because I had postponed that video right now. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and yes, please go check out the property on Google as well. You might, you know, read the reviews and be interested. Sometime we would love to see you and your family here, or your friends here. Come and enjoy with us in this place. So yeah guys, bye bye.